This is question number 72 of the paper. It is a question related to para-jumbling. Here, if you look at option D, it is the smallest option. It says, but the news isn't all good. So this is some kind of a negative statement. Let's look at the other options if we have some other negative statement as well. So in that case, we can say that this will be connected to that particular negative statement. And if we look at option A, it is a negative statement here. It says nearly a decade of depressed job numbers leave some experts wondering about what kind of damage has been wrought on career arcs and psyche of American worker and employer-employee relations. So we know that D and A has to be together because only these two statements speak of something negative. There is no other statement that is spoken in a negative light. So with this, we can quickly eliminate option D because it doesn't has D and A together. Now, if you look at option C, it says the resurgent quit rate, the percentage of workers leaving jobs voluntarily, may indeed end up being cause of celebration. So this is something positive that is being spoken, especially if other economic indicators rise with it. Now, this idea is further elaborated in option B, which says the willingness to quit signals a welcome movement in the job market. So basically, the option C explains the quit rate and introduces it as a positive sign, and B carries this topic forward by focusing on the job market. And E now takes this idea even further, telling us that this is because it loosens up opportunities and mobility, as well as hints at increased confidence of workers who may be leaving one job before finding another. So this is basically explaining us why this particular willingness to quit is a good thing here. So therefore, we know that D and A should be together. D should be followed by A, and then C introduces a certain topic, and then B takes it forward and E further explains it. Therefore, the correct sequence is C, B, E, D, A, which is there in option C.